friends and run away. Because you never know. You never know. Listen, I want to make sure all of you leave your numbers with us because we'd like to invite you for all our KFM parties, okay? You will never have to call in to win. You just come. Okay? So make sure we get your numbers. You're very good dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, you want some more fun? Do we have any more Nigerian dancers here? Somebody?